Got a heat sink. Second stack.
No!
These are close.
No! Please! Hold your fire! Hold fire! Cannot see I've been injured!
Lock them in. Lock them in.
Medical Officer Ratchet! I'm a friend! I'm an Autobot! Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
You get no sympathy from me.
What's wrong with you humans? No! Please! Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons.
Never.
Never is here.
They're melting Ratchet.
No. That's an Autobot there.